Here is how to remove an app from Zapier, step by step. Begin by signing into your Zapier account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click App Connections. This opens the area where Zapier stores the apps and accounts currently linked to your workspace. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the full list of connections appears before moving on. Next, find the app connection you want to remove. You can scroll through the list if you only have a few connections, or use the search connection or app name field to narrow it down. Type the app name or part of the connection name, then check the results carefully. If you have connected the same app more than once, make sure you select the correct account before continuing. Once you have located a connection, move to the right side of that entry and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small menu with actions for that specific connection. Look through the available options and choose Remove or Delete Connection depending on the wording shown in your account. After that, Zapier will display a confirmation message. Take a moment to review it before you continue. This message explains that the selected connection will be removed from Zapier. It is there to make sure you are disconnecting the correct app, especially if the app has been used in existing Zaps. When you are ready, click the button that completes the action. Depending on what appears on your screen, this may say Remove, Delete, or Confirm. Clicking that button disconnects the app from Zapier and removes that saved connection from your list. After the removal is complete, return to the App Connections page if Zapier does not bring you there automatically. Look through the list again, or use the search field one more time, and confirm that the app connection no longer appears. This is the quickest way to verify that the removal went through successfully. If you later need to use that app again in a Zap, you can reconnect it from the same area. Click plus Create Connection, then follow the prompts to sign back into the app and authorize a new connection. This creates a fresh connection for future use rather than restoring the one you removed. One thing to keep in mind is that removing a connection only affects that linked app account inside Zapier. If you have more than one connection for the same app, only the one you selected will be removed. That is why it is worth checking the connection name before confirming the deletion. The selected app connection has now been removed from your Zapier app connections list.